starting with firmware 2.1, we've had a new interesting function that's called the hint function. The hint function allows you to find out a reference sequence inside a live stream. How does it work? First, you would need to create a file node that contains the reference sequence. So I call it jingle. So it can be, for instance, a jingle of a channel. It can be the beginning of a television show that always shows the same credits. It could be an ad that you want to know when it is being aired and on which channels, and so on. So I could upload a TS file into this node, or another method is to extract it from the circular file we've been creating earlier. So let's suppose I want a jingle that's at the beginning of this show. I'll click on the slider to find out which position I want to start at. So let's say I want to start with this jingle, Energy 12. Click on play. And this is my out mark. So I have a 2-second jingle that I can copy to the file node I've just created. So now if I take a look at the jingle, I'll be able to view what it is about. Okay, so that's my reference clip. Now I will create a hint function. So a hint function needs an input node, which is a circular file. So that's the file we're currently writing from Energy 12. I will need a new hint operation, so I create a hint operation per clip I want to find in the video. You can have any number of hint operations on this function. So we want to match the jingle. Let's say it's the beginning of a show and we want to match at least 50% of it. Click on apply. And now the hint function will start looking into the circular file node backwards, and also for all future frames. And in the logs, I'll see whenever it has matched. So it has matched at the precise position I have extracted the file. That's normal. It will probably match at the next show if it has the same jingle at the beginning. So you know it has matched because you will receive an SNMP trap. It is in the log file, but also it's written to the structure of the circular file. And the fact that it's written helps you here in the EPG program menu. You see that this location here is imprecise by 17 seconds. It could have been more, but the beginning is actually this. So you see the hint mentioned here says that when I click here, I really have the beginning of the show.